This is your Max classwork book, page number 75, and today we are going to learn how to write number 15. As 15 is two-digit number, so we will write number 1 under T and number 5 under O. T means tens, O means ones. Let's start. Start from the middle of the box, make a standing line and touch the bottom blue line. Number 1 for number 5. Start from the middle of the box, make a slipping line, then make a small slanting line and then make a reverse C curve. Touch the bottom blue line, go little bit up. 5. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. See kids, like this way you have to complete writing number 15 in your Max classwork book, page number 75.